Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Pisces for the month of December 2025. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, my email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. I am sorry I am late in uploading the reading for the month. I was having bad cold and throat infection, so I couldn't do the reading and upload it. So I am really sorry for that. So let's see what do the cards have for Pisces. For Pisces, December. Okay. Alright. Overall energy for Pisces in December. What is the overall energy for Pisces in December? What is the overall energy for Pisces we have in December? Overall energy for Pisces. What's the overall energy we have for Pisces? Okay. I see a card flipped. It has to come, it will come. Whoa. Alright. Alright. Okay. Now let's see what are the key challenges we have for you Pisces. Please clarify Three of Pentacles as the key challenges for Pisces. Key challenges for Pisces. Please clarify Three of Pentacles as the key challenges for Pisces. Okay, let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you here. Actions or advice for Pisces. Okay. Let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for you, Pisces. Okay, please. Wow, the cards are just falling. Okay, so bottom of the deck we have the Queen of Cups. Okay, so bottom of the deck energy is basically your subconscious energies or the energies you are dealing deep down and not necessarily sharing it with others, or the energies you're lately your feelings or you're going through. So I see that you are you're available for everyone at an emotional level, but when it comes to you, when you look around that who's available to you to provide that emotional support, you generally find yourself alone. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. So you are tired of taking care of everyone, but when you feel that need of emotional connection, you don't find anyone around with whom you can share your emotions, you can connect emotionally, or someone who can understand what you're going through at an emotional level. Okay, so उस तरह की energy है. There is this feeling of lack and tired. Okay, tired of taking care of everyone and not providing that love and care to yourself, or not getting that love and care from others. Okay, that is what the energy I'm getting for you Pisces. Now the overall energy is in December. Okay, there are two things I'm getting strongly. Sorry, first is there is something there is something you need to be passionate about. Okay, it can be you might be meeting an old connection. For some of you there are chances that someone from the past might come back to you with passion. Okay, or you might miss someone from the past. Okay, it can be anything because it's a general reading, so I can't exactly say, but that is what the energy I'm getting for you. For some of you I also see that you might there can be a reunion from your maybe childhood friends, your old you might miss that old place, and you might plan to visit to a particular place jahan se aapka you had an emotional connection, maybe your hometown. For some of you, maybe meeting your old friends, old colleagues, or an old partner of yours. Okay, and there is this energy that if somebody it can be for very specific that a past person may enter in your life again. Okay, with so much of passion, and they might come back with with this energy of passion and commitment both. Okay, so there are good chances that somebody from the past is coming back. Also I see that you need to connect with your own self, you need to connect with your inner child and do things what make you happy. Okay, आपको थोड़ा सा ये देखने की जरूरत है कि what is that what makes you happy. Maybe childhood में there was a particular hobby and now you don't you don't get enough time to work on that. So there is this energy of connecting with your own self so that you can heal your emotional wound. Okay, that is also I'm getting for some of you. It's a very good energy during the month. So if you feel like you want to meet someone from your past, there is a reunion happening, so try to go and be a part of that reunion. You might feel better, okay? You might feel that nostalgia again, and connecting with your old friends, your childhood friends. Okay, it will make you feel good. Okay, so if that kind of thing is happening, don't stop yourself. Just go and be a part of that celebration to make yourself feel good again. Okay, now the obstacle here is again, as I said, अगर कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है, रियूनियन गैदरिंग हो रहा है, तो आपको अपने आप को आइसोलेट नहीं करना है, आपको उसका पार्ट बनने की जरूरत है. ओके, बिकॉज इट यू माइट फील अ बिट डिफिकल्ट टू मीट पीपल. Okay, you might think ki, no, I'm not comfortable, I'm not okay to go, I don't have enough time to go and meet. Okay, so don't make all those excuses. There is nothing wrong in taking some time for your own self, okay, from your own schedule. So just try to meet people. Try to, maybe आप उनसे मिलके आप शेयर करोगे चीज़ें, you will get to know so many things, and it might help you to overcome that lack which you are feeling deep down, right? So try to meet people. It will definitely make you feel good. You might relive your childhood days. You might relive your having that fun time with friends or colleagues will make you feel good. You will have a new energy in you after you meet these people. Okay, so this is a very good मैसेज दैट कभी कभी आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में इतना फंस जाते हैं हम कि हम अपने लिए ही टाइम नहीं निकालते हैं फॉर द स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग विच मेक अस फील गुड, राइट? सो जस्ट ट्राई टू take time for yourself and do things what make you happy. I also see that this reunion will definitely help you to see things from a brighter perspective. It will bring uh, a lively energy kind of thing in you. Okay, that is also I am getting. And you might also meet someone who will provide you guidance. Okay, जो आपको थोड़ा सा गाइड कर सके, आपको थोड़ा सा बोलते हैं ना, एक रास्ता दिखा सके, उस तरह की एनर्जी भी मुझे दिख रही है. दैट यू माइट मीट समवन हु विल हेल्प यू टू डील विद द थिंग्स यू आर गोइंग डीप डाउन. Okay, and that will really help you to overcome the challenges. It can be anything. आप अपने वर्क प्लेस में किसी सीनियर से बात कर सकते हो. You never know what kind of communication will happen and what insight you might get, right, from a normal discussion. So there are very good chances that you might get the invitation to meet people, but आपको अपने आप को isolate नहीं करना है, because you might feel little difficult, you might hesitate, but आपको उस hesitation से बाहर निकल के try to be part of that group. Okay, try to do what you feel you should do, but not isolating yourself. Okay, that I would suggest. Now the action or advice is, something needs to end. Okay, something needs to end here so that something new can begin, and you have to be very logical in dealing with the things and the situation. Okay, now ending is not easy to deal with. Okay, so try to understand and focus on the lesson. Okay, now for some of you it can be a job change. आप हो सकता है आपको नए जॉब में आप लग रहा हो आपको कि I will not be comfortable, I am here, I'm comfortable in this organization, I have worked for so much and now I know people, and leaving behind will be difficult for me. बट यू हैव टू बी लॉजिकल. ओके, आपको अपने इमोशंस को ओवर पावर नहीं करना है, इमोशंस को हावी नहीं होने देना है अपने ऊपर. यू हैव टू बी लॉजिकल एंड लॉजिकली सोच के चीज़ों को प्लान करके आपको आगे बढ़ने की ज़रूरत है. यू हैव टू बी क्लियर इन योर कम्युनिकेशन. यू हैव टू बी क्लियर, लाइक यू आर एबल टू एक्सप्रेस प्रॉपरली. वो भी आ रहा है. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो कमिंग कि यू नीड टू कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपरली, यू नीड टू एक्सप्रेस प्रॉपरली. डोंट एज्यूम दैट पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, डोंट बी इन दैट एनर्जी, रैदर कम्युनिकेट क्लियरली. आपको जो भी क्रिएटिव आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, आप उस पर काम करिए. एंड ओके, डोंट लेट the difficult things or something which needs to end, don't hold on to it. Okay, because it will then stop you from growing. Okay, that is also I'm getting for you. So whatever needs to end, it will end. Okay, so just focus on the lesson and be logical and move with grace. Okay, move with grace. Now the strength and opportunity for you here is, you might feel ki how long will I have to put the efforts, and by when will I get the rewards? Okay, so somewhere you might feel, I am tired of dealing with so much, I am tired of handling everything so much. How long will I have to be in this fight fighter mode. Okay, I need some time off, I need some break. Okay, so it's like a wounded energy. Okay, कि आप थक चुके हो, उस तरह की एनर्जी आ रही है. But don't give up. Okay, you are already there. So it's you know, आपके rewards बस corner पर है. So don't give up. Okay, just keep going and you will get the reward. Justice will be served to you. Okay, whatever efforts you have put in, आपको उसके rewards जरूर मिलेंगे. You don't have to give up. Justice will be served. It is taking bit time, but sometimes some things happens at the divine timing, right? So try to change your perspective and surrender. Don't give up on the, you know, on your efforts, because जो भी आपने मेहनत की है, जो भी आपने efforts डाले हैं, आपको उसके rewards मिलने के बहुत अच्छे chances हैं. It might take bit time, but you know, as I said, something needs to end so that something new can start. So maybe that is your testing phase of your life going on, that you are just waiting for the rewards uh, to to be, you know, what do you say, कि your, how do you say it, आप अपने rewards का wait कर रहे हो and you are not getting it. Okay, so just wait, everything will turn out to be good. Justice will be served in your favor, and you know, keep going, don't stop, don't give up, just keep going and things will become better. Okay, so that's the energy I have for you, Pisces. If you have liked it, please do like this video, please claim the positive energy from this reading. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.